Good afternoon all. Good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon. So we are discussing which chapter? We are discussing which chapter?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Fardeen, what spelling of pattern? Fardeen, what spelling of pattern? Fardeen, say once more. Fardeen, say once more. P-A-T-T.
E-R-N.
E-R-N, pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. What is this pattern? What is this pattern? Johan.
P-A-T-T-E-R-N.
Pattern. Okay. Now, Johan, what is the definition for pattern?
Repetition of basic shape.
Very good. Repetition of basic shapes.
Shape.
Okay. Now, Sankalp, which are the basic shapes? Which are the basic shapes?
Square,
Square,
triangle,
triangle,
rectangle,
rectangle and
circle.
circle. Very good. So these are the basic shapes. So we are using for making patterns. Okay. So repetition of basic shapes is called pattern. Last class we complete the pattern and we color the pattern also. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Who is calling ma'am?
Hello.
Say louder. Can you hear ma'am? Okay, so last class we discussed patterns and we complete the pattern also, we color the pattern also. Today we are going to find out the odd one, or we can say the one figure which is not belong to the pattern. Okay, pattern is already given. You have to look carefully the pattern. In the pattern, one figure which is not belong to that pattern, that we have to circle. That exercise we are going to do today. Okay, you understood what we are going to today? We are going to find out the figure which is not belong to the given pattern. We are finding out the figure which is not belong to the pattern given. Okay, so I will show you the exercise and we will do together first on the screen. Okay, now no need to write in the rough book. Listen to ma'am and look at the screen. I'm going to share the screen now. Okay. Okay, so we started last day the pattern chapter and we saw the spelling of pattern, that is P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. Patterns are designs, okay, and we saw many patterns in our surroundings. We saw pattern on the wall. We also saw pattern on the floor, on our dress. Okay. Also, we saw some floral carpet. Okay, we saw tablecloth having some designs, and we also saw some mehendi designs also. Okay, and we saw the definition for pattern. Now today we are going to do one exercise which is related to pattern, and the exercise is we are finding out the figure which is not belong to the pattern. Okay, which is not belong to the pattern. So we are going to circle the figure which does not belong to the pattern. See, C-I-R-C-L-E. What is that? What we will call? What we will read? C-I. R C L.
Circle.
T H E. The. Circle the figure. F-I-G-U-R-E. Circle the figure. Okay. T-H-A-T. That. D-O-E-S. Does. N-O-T. Not. Okay. Circle the figure that it does not belong. B-E-L-O-N-G. Belong to. T-O. E-A-C-H. Each. O-F. The given pattern. So pattern is already given. Okay, we have to find out the figure which does not belong to the pattern. Okay, circle the figure that does not belong to each of the given pattern. So pattern is already given. We have to look carefully the pattern, and in that pattern one figure is not belong to that. Okay, it is an odd one, so that we have to circle it. That is the exercise. Now we can do one exercise. Okay, now I will draw one pattern here. It's a starting with a circle, then a square, again circle, again square, okay, again circle, then we can see one rectangle, then one circle, then one square. So all of you listen to ma'am. Okay, listen to ma'am and look at the screen. So the first pattern we can see circle, square, circle, square, circle, rectangle, circle, square. So in this pattern, one figure is not belong to that pattern. Which is that one? It is rectangle. So which one we have to circle here? Which one we have to circle here? Here we have to circle the rectangle. This rectangle is not belong to the pattern. This rectangle is not belong to the pattern. Okay. Now you understood what we are doing? Okay. Now we will move to the next pattern. Now we will move to the next pattern. Second pattern. Okay. It will start with a star, one triangle, then one more star, then a triangle. It is an upside down triangle, then star, then triangle, then a star. So here we can see one star, again triangle, again star, again one triangle, but it is upside down, one triangle, sorry, one star, one triangle, one star. So here also one figure is not belong to that group. So which is that one? It is an upside down triangle. It is an upside down triangle. Okay, this figure is not belong to that pattern. Okay, now we will move to the next one. So we will move to the next pattern. Okay, it will start with one rectangle. Okay, then one square, then
Now finish.
No need to write now. Johan, now listen to ma'am. Okay, and look at the screen. I will give time to write. Okay, so we will. Third one is a rectangle, then square, then one circle. Again one rectangle. Okay, again square, but next one is a triangle. Okay, again rectangle, again square, again circle. So here we can see rectangle, square, circle. Rectangle, square, triangle. Rectangle, so here we can see the triangle is the figure which does not belong to the pattern. Okay, it does not belong to the pattern. Okay, now we will move to the next one. The fourth one. Okay, for the fourth one is star,
Star.
a flower,
Flower.
again star,
Again star.
again we can see one flower,
One flower.
again star,
Star.
again circle, again star. So for the fourth
Circle.
one, star, flower, star, flower, star, circle, star. Here also one figure is not belong to the pattern. It is the,
Circle.
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 It is the circle. So circle we can circle. Okay. Now you understood the exercise?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
all of you please take your rough book and pencil. Take a rough book and pencil. Take a rough book and pencil. Okay. Now okay. So you will do in your rough book. I will do on the screen. Okay. Now you write CIRCLE. CIRCLE. What is that?
CIRC.
CIRCLE. Circle. THE. The. Okay. Circle the FIGURE. What is that? FIGURE? Figure. Okay. You write in your rough book. Circle the figure. CIRCLE. Circle. THE. The. Figure. 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 Circle the figure. FIGURE. Figure.
And let us write.
Circle the figure.
എനിക്ക് ട്രെയിൻ കാണാൻ കുഞ്ഞാട്ടെ
That. THEAT. THAT. 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 Circle the figure. That. THAT. Circle the figure. That. DOES. 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 Note. NOT. Note. NOT. Note. N-O-T. Not. Belong. B-E-L-O-N-G. Belong. Circle the figure that does not belong. To. T-O. To. Devarsh, are you writing? Okay, where you reach? Did you reach belong word?
Yes.
Ivania, where you reach? Ivania, where you reach? Which word is writing now?
Below.
Belong. B-E-L-O-N-G. Belong. T-O. To. T-O. To. E-A-C-H. E-A-C-H. Each. Circle the figure that does not belong to each. O-F. Off. O-F. The. T-H-E. The. Patterns. P-A-T-T-E-R-N-S. Patterns. Circle the figure that does not belong to each of the patterns. Given. G-I-V-E-N. Given. Does not. It's very important. Okay. Circle the figure that does not belong to each of the pattern given. So pattern is already given. We have to find out the figure that does not belong to the pattern. Does not
Each
belong
of
to
the patterns given. G-I-V.
Okay, let others complete. Let others complete. Okay. Let others complete.
Finish.
E-N.
Let others complete.
Finish.
So, circle.
Finish.
Just read it. Those who finished, just read it. Those who completed, just read it.
No finish.
Okay. Okay, Johan, you write. Circle the figure that does not belong to each of the patterns given.
Finish. Finish.
Let others complete. Now we will move to the first one. We will move to the first one.
Finish.
Okay. So we will move to the first one. It is circle, square, circle, square, again circle, then we have a rectangle, then circle, then square. Lakshana, please unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
The first pattern is on the screen. Circle, square, circle, square, circle, rectangle, circle, square. Which figure is not belong to the pattern?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So we can put circle the rectangle. So in the first pattern, rectangle is not belong to the pattern. Aman completed the pattern.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Okay. Now we will move to the next one. Okay. Second one. It is a star.
Yes.
Again triangle. Star. Triangle. Then star. Then one upside down triangle. Then star. Then triangle. Avish Boban, please unmute your device. So for the second pattern, we saw star, triangle, again star, one upside down triangle, then star, triangle. So which figure is not belong to the pattern?
Upside down triangle.
Very good. So this triangle is not belong to this pattern. Now we will move to the third one.
Three dot. Three dot. This three dot. Three. Ma'am, now finish.
Okay, you take time and write. So for the second pattern, we can see the upside down triangle is the figure which does not belong to the pattern.
My second finish.
Okay, very good.
Finish.
Now we will move to the third one. Johan, can we move to third one?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now the third one. Starting with a rectangle, then square, then we can see a circle, again rectangle, again square, then one triangle, then a rectangle, square, then circle. rectangle, square, circle, rectangle, square, triangle, rectangle, square, circle. Nilha, please unmute your device, Nilha. So for the third pattern, which one is not belong to the pattern? It is triangle. Triangle is not belong to the pattern. Not belong to the given pattern. Nomika, Angela, please switch on the video.
I finished.
Okay, good. Let others complete. Let others complete.
I finished. I finished.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay. Now we can move to the fourth one. Now the fourth one. It's a star, then one flower, again star, again flower, again star, again one circle, then one star. Elroy, please unmute your device. For the fourth one, we can see star, flower, star, circle, star. So which one is the figure which is not
Circle.
circle?
Circle.
Then put circle the circle. This figure is not belong to the pattern. This figure is not belong to the pattern.
I cannot see.
Who can't see?
I am poor.
Who can't see? You can't see the board. Elvin can't see the board.
Yes.
Yes. Elvin completed the fourth pattern.
Yes.
Very good.
No touchy. I'm finished.
Very good. Very good. Okay, let others come.
I'm finished.
Let others come. Let others come.
Finished.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay, let others complete. Let others complete.
Yeah. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Let me stop sharing.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay. So this is the exercise we done today. And is it clear for you? This exercise is clear to you all now?
Yes.
So we will do one more exercise next day. Okay, which is related to patterns. Okay, so I'm going to winding up today's session. Okay, thank you.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. See you tomorrow. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
So today
Bye,
also I will
Bye,
send
ma'am.
in the evening. Okay, right in the maths. Okay,
Bye,
thank you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.